Do you ever wish you could turn Google Sheet rows into tasks automatically? Zapier's integrations make that easy. Let me show you how it works. To do this task, I'll want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier's no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I can say something like, add my tasks to Google Tasks from Google Sheets, and it'll build the workflow for me. My Zap will then be created. To start, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is Google Sheets. I'll need to log into my account before configuring the steps. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up Google Sheets, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If it's your first time logging in, a link will pop up for you to log into your account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the spreadsheet and worksheet you'd like to use for your Zap, and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record, and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your action event should already be set. So log into your Google account one more time. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the action apps fields. I can select from the dropdown or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Google Tasks account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a row is updated in our Google spreadsheet, it will automatically be sent to Google Tasks as well. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click the link below and Copilot will build this app for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.